Alrighty, we are back to it. Now, last time was the legendary Overworld Overhaul. Pretty cool stuff, am I right? Um, did you like the new title format on the YouTube video? I was thinking the whole learning game design with RPGMaker was like too wordy. Um, just seemed really long for no good reason. I'm not really sure though. Uh, I don't know if it matters that much. Um, so I tried it out, the switching it over. Also, another thing. Now, another reason I switched the title was because I love checking my little stats in YouTube Studio, and I can never tell the videos apart because it like on my phone it'll cut off the title. It won't show the whole title. So all of them just say learning game design and then nothing else. So I it's completely unhelpful. And I have to go by the thumbnail, which I don't make thumbnails for these videos. So it's just trying to guess, oh, this image of the it's always blacksmith upstairs. Oh my god. I hate this little area. It keeps showing up as the thumbnail, and I think it's so boring. Maybe I'll add something cool right here just to in case it makes this the thumbnail again. Or the black tent, another horrible room. If it's the town, I feel good about it. If it's the overworld, I feel good about it. The docks, definitely not feeling good about this. Okay. So, hold on, I'm hitting a crazy stretch right now. Calm down, everybody. Alright. What is up today? Let's see. Last time I made the bar and grill and I redid the overworld. Today we might make these docks a little bit. Let's see. This roof, I feel like it looks funny. Like, I don't love the way the roof looks. I'm not really sure how to make it look better. Throw down some shadow or something. I don't know. One day we're gonna go through and we're gonna add shadows to everything, and it's gonna be a game changer. Like, watch this. Different. Absolutely different. Oh, it's already got shadow on the side. See, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's neat. I'm doing the thing again where I start talking about doing something and then I just start doing something else. Like last time, I don't even remember what I said we were going to do. We were going to add I think we're going to add some way for us to do fire damage, because that's how you defeat the evil gorilla. But then I fixed the overworld. I keep saying fixed the overworld. I made it look a little bit better, is the thing. Okay. Here's what I want to do. Right now, let me go to event mode. The pig, you need to feed the pig the slop in order to get through. Right now, I have the slop just being sold by Paul, our blacksmith. But I think that's kind of goofy. Like, I could just walk over here. I mean, I'd have to get money. Walk into town, go to Paul, and then go to the pig, and then I'm off. And it's like, I didn't really have to do anything. So here's what I'm thinking. Okay? I'm gonna put the slop in the bar and grill, right? The bar and grill, you currently can't go in there because it's closed due to the gorilla rampage, right? So I'm going to make this into a conditional branch that's pretty much says, if the gorilla is alive, you can't come in. However, if the gorilla is dead, you can come in. That way... Wait. No. That's a horrible... I'm confusing myself. Because I need the fire to defeat the gorilla. Uh-oh. Things are getting a little scary here. I need the fire to defeat the gorilla. And I want to get the fire from somewhere over here to the left of the pig. So I either have to not get the slop from the bar and grill, not put the fire off to the left, or something else. Or make it not closed because of the gorilla. Maybe here's what we do. Maybe we put... We could put a second deeper floor to the dungeon with the... Okay, wait, what's better? What's better? Let me talk this out. I know that's all I've been doing is talking. I have not done a single substantive... How do you say that word? Substantive? That can't be right. Thing in this video other than talk. But my idea is... What's better? You get the fire from a deeper level of the dungeon, or you get it from the docks. I think it might be cooler visually. Now, hold on, let me cook here. If you sail out into the ocean, right? And in the ocean, there's like, I don't know, something out there. And that contains the fire. Maybe it's a lighthouse. You have to take the fire from the top of the lighthouse. That's dope as hell. Okay. We are going to start working on our docks then. How do you start on the docks? You need to start with the water. Hold on. That's just lily pads. Okay, we have water. We have liftoff. Now let's add beach to this. Take it off the square mode, and I'm just gonna... Yeah. There's the beach. Okay, that looks weird. Okay, here's what I need to do. I need to make it sandy water. Then I go to the beach. Okay, we are cooking. We are cooking. So let's make it like this. You know, maybe a little bit, not, you know, completely uniform beach, because that's kind of weird looking. And then let's throw, yeah, that looks good. Okay, now let's get to work on the docks. So that could be an issue. I don't want it to look like... I don't want it to look like the sand's going out. But that seems to be what's happening here. Okay, I'm going to try something. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to change it to overworld and see if there's more reasonable stuff we can get here. Okay, if we... Hold on. If we just make all of this water. Boom. Oh, doesn't that look ugly? Now let's get some sand. Alright. Let's get some sand. Let's go wee, wee, wee. And fill all this in. What's up, buddy? Okay. Why aren't you playing with your brother? What's going on? Okay. Let's see here. Now, let's see if there's something I could use as a dock. Oh boy. It's beautiful. Okay. Oops. We're gonna have to make it a skinny dock. Our options are limited. That's okay. We're just gonna throw down. Alright, buddy. When was the last time we had a... My cat unplugged my mic. That's unbelievable. I don't know how long my mic's been unplugged for. Hopefully, probably not that long. He hasn't been here that long. Okay. When was the last time we had a video where the cat wasn't a major issue during it? That looks so weird, honestly. I wish we could, like, mix our tile sets, because this just... it's looking unusual, is what's happening, okay? Like, is there a way I can... No, that looks weird. I just want it to look not awful. I don't know. Hold on. Is it time for the shadow pen? Okay. Looks weird there. Maybe on the other side. Alright. Hold on. That's helpful. The shadow is a little helpful. Now let's go to events. And then can I set starting position for the boat? Put it up there. Boom. Okay. Now things are gonna get a little wild. We're gonna need to set a starting position. Oh, come on, cat. For a dock master, but first we need to make a dock master. Can you believe it? We're opening up the character creator. I'm basing this guy off. Let's see. You ever seen Avatar: The Last Airbender? The crazy dude, Doc and Shoe? Maybe I'll base him off that. Oh, come on now. Hold on, wait, let me hit randomize. Oh. That looks awful. Okay, let's see here. Or, I mean, it's not a super important character. I could just use a preset, like, character. Like, if I add an event right over here and give it an image, I'll look. I'll see what we've got. Actors, they all look too main character-y. Monsters, nature, people. Oh, come on now. Come on now, cat. Okay, yeah. Sci-fi people. No. Let's make our own. Let us make our own. Okay, cat, come on. Come on, dude. Hit randomize a couple of times. No. Okay, face. squarish. Let's do for hair. I don't know, gray hair. I need to. Wow. I need to get this these accessories off, because they are messing with me. That's glasses. Okay. Front hair. Let's see here. Rear hair. I kind of like the idea that it's longer. Whoa. What is that? Okay. Beard. Should we have a beard? Sure. Chin strap beard. Nothing else. Oh. Hey, buddy. I swear 90% of this video is just going to be... 90% of the videos recently are just... there goes the cat again. There... What the fuck is that eye? Oh, that looks so bad. Oh, it looks awful, man. Okay, maybe we go eyes closed for this fella. Maybe... No. What's a sad looking eye? I think I asked this when I was making poll as well. First of all, the green eyes are not helping me. Let's give him, like, brown eyes. Those are the most normal looking brown eyes I can. The eyes in this game are just so weird. I guess that's gonna have to do... Oh my lord. I think the cat is starting to associate me being on the computer with... Okay, it's cuddling time. We gotta get up there. Okay, let's get the most nose-looking nose of all time. Dude, this guy's starting to look a little too cool. Maybe we'll have this be an optional party member. Oh, he's cheesing. Okay, come on, cat. Alright. Facial marks. What is that? Oh, it's just a little dot. Okay. Some pink scars. Third eye. Okay. We've already got... Oh, come on now. Come on now, buddy. Okay, we don't need a tail. We don't need wings. Let's fix some closing up. That's not terrible. That is not terrible at all. It seems maybe it's a little too classy for a dock worker. Maybe this is a little better. I kind of like green. Main color. Kind of liked... Oh, I can bring it up. Actually, I kind of like it up a little bit. It makes it feel a little stuffier. Are these all the color options? It was just a second ago a different shade of green. Yeah, the basic green, I kind of like that. Let's get some subcolors on here, though. What is this changing? Oh, the color of his pants. This purplish color works. Okay, sleeve color. Blue is too much. Okay. Oh, my God. Sorry if that just peaked the mic. Okay, that looks pretty good. What? This is changing 1 pixel. on the inside of his coat. I guess let's go red for that pixel. Do we want a cloak? Does a cloak make things better? Okay. I don't think cloaks are going to make things better in this case. Accessories. Let's take a look. The ever-present temptation of the eye patch. How about a fancy hat? Wait a second. No, I think that's a little too much. Little too much. Oh, that's the one. Okay, now the second temptation, glasses. I'm not feeling it for glasses. Okay. I think this is decent. This is good. Character, we'll put this at the dock. Face image. Export. Isn't this exciting? Let's call this. Alright. I'm gonna have to type cat. You're gonna have to get out the way. I'm gonna call, what should we call this guy? Let's call this dude Buford. No. Gene Simmons. George. There's no good names. There's no good names. I need you to suggest names to me retroactively. Put it in your brain. Put it in your brain. Send it back. Send it back to me. I'm waiting. Hold on. Oh, you were sitting on the spacebar, cat. Let's call it. Let's call it Scoot Eugene. Okay, time to do that 14 more times. Hope you can remember how to spell Eugene. Ugh. Damaged character. Eugene. Save. Oh, no. This is Eugene. Eugene. Damaged. Ah. Then the battler is Battle Eugene. If you were thinking of Eugene, thank you. You really came in clutch for me. Give this dude an image. Eugene. Okay. Boom. Apply. Oh, look at that. Look at Eugene. Let me go back to the map maker. Can I add some rocks in the water? Oh, I'm on the shadow maker. How about these types of rocks? Those just kind of look weird. I bet you these rocks were made for the water. Or maybe it's these rocks that literally have the water sprite on them. Of course, it's different from the ocean sprite. The ocean texture, so it just looks weird. That's cool. What is this? Can add a dark spot to the water. Whirlpool. Don't be going after these whirlpools. They're frightening. Okay, the cat is calming down. All right. Let's see here. Oops. Undo. Undo. Let's go back into event mode. Talk to Eugene. Okay. We're gonna add show text with a face, Eugene. Hey there, traveler. Hey there, traveler. Okay. Now, how do we force an order here? We need... Okay. Follow me on this journey. We need to force an order. How does this happen? Okay, so I don't want you to just spawn in, walk to the docks, and start flying away. Maybe that's fine. Actually, maybe that is fine. Edit. Okay. You wanna take a ride in my boat? Let's show some choices, yes or no. When yes, let's show some text from Eugene. All right. Ugh. Under one condition, I gotta come with to supervise. You know. Okay, and then change the party. Change party member. Ah, hold on. I need to make this guy a party member. I think he's cool enough. We can have him be a party member. Okay. Call this dude Eugene. Let's make Eugene a sorcerer. Maybe, no, a priest. Okay. Eugene. All the way down at the bottom over here. Battle Eugene. Apply. Okay. Wait, let's add his equipment a little bit. Weapon. Wooden staff, okay. Shield, none. Head. It's got a, let's say, a circlet. Body. Linen clothing. Accessory. Nothing. Okay. Apply that. Okay. Apply. We're going to change party member. Add Eugene. Okay. When no. Suit yourself. Just know it's a pretty rockin' boat. Throw down the apostrophe. Y'all remember when I couldn't find the apostrophe on the keyboard? That was like 2 episodes ago. That was crazy. Also, if you say yes, we're going to control switches. No. How do we do it where the self switch, your new event page, self switch A is on, apply. I'm going to have to go look at the ruins, one of these, to see. Control self switch, A equals on. Okay. Let's see here. Where is... Oh, control self switch right next to it. Okay. A equals on. Apply. So that way you pick them up. And yeah. Let's add another event here. Talk check. And we're going to say, we're going to do a conditional branch if Eugene is in the party, do nothing. Hold on, I need to edit that to create an else branch. Else, show text, you should probably talk to the owner before taking his boat. Okay. Apply that now. If I go in here, oh, I need to, before, hold on, calm down now. For that, I need to, else you should probably do that, and you should move the player. Set movement route, player, move down. Okay. That way, if you try and go to the boat without talking to Eugene, you're just going to boop, boop, be pushed back down, and then you'll try again, and you'll get the same thing and get pushed down again. Okay. So, and that's only on the else, yeah. If Eugene's in the party, it does nothing. Now, how do I set a path? I could just put this here, and that's the area in which it'll take you to the next map. Okay, yeah. We'll do that. Going to, hold on, new. We're going to call this Ocean 1. Okay. Let's start by making it water. Boom. And let's see, are there any cool things we can put in this ocean? Oh, Lord. That keeps happening. It's quite upsetting. Okay. Maybe I'll add some rocks around this. Ugh. Okay. Let's keep adding some rocks over here. Oh, I'm in square mode. That's why it's coming out so weird. Okay. And then I'll add a dark spot here. You can sort of think of those dark spots as like, those are the spots that'll take us to a different part of the map. If we traverse them. Okay. Yeah, and then we'll add similar ones over here. And then I'll add one over there as well. Okay, let's add some events in here. Let's add event here. Go to Ocean 1. We're just going to say transfer play. Oop, hold on. Fade out the screen. Transfer the player to Ocean 1 right here. Okay. Fade in the screen. What are we doing for time? We're at 35 minutes already. Okay. This video isn't going to be super long. Oops, undo that. Because I got to go to work. So, I'm going to paste that. Let's go to Ocean 1. Let's create some events here. Go to docs. Okay, fade out the screen. Fade in the screen. Oops, I should transfer the player as well to the docs up here. Okay. There we come on now. Apply. Okay, and let's copy that. Paste that. Paste that. Okay. All right, and then let's go test the game. See how we're doing. All right. Head on up to the docks. Oh, the water moves. It's kind of peculiar. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. Uh-oh. Hold on. What just happened? Okay. New game. I just walked in. I have Eugene in the party. Just to start with. That is not what I'm looking for at all. Wait a second. What? How did that happen? Why is that the case? What? What? I'm so confused. Why is that the case? Is there something wrong with this this event? Let me check the Bella one in the red tent. Same as characters. I want my starting party to be 1. What? Why would... Why would Eugene start in the party? I'm so confused. How did I edit this in the first place to make it so that Chuck was the only person in the starting party? System? I don't think so. Starting party. Cut. Yeah, we want just Chuck. Okay. Apply. Now let's test the game. Okay. First, we go up here. Should probably talk to the owner before taking his boat. Oh, wait. If I... Ooh. That's kind of fun. Okay. So... I need to make it so that if you pass over it rather than if you action button it. Okay. Welcome to the party, brother. Oh. The dark ocean is impassable. Okay. What time is it? 4:05. We're going to do 2 things real quick. We're going to go to the docks. We're going to say player touch, apply. Then we're going to go back into map mode. I guess for now we'll just make these waters standard. Okay. Now let's test the game one more time, and that'll probably be where we're calling it for the moment. Thank you so much for watching these at all. I really do appreciate it. This is really fun for me. Boom. And we're through. Yippee! And now we go back. I like this ocean music. It's fun. Okay, let me off. Yay. And I can't escape here because I didn't add an exit. Okay, we'll get to that next time. I'm going to use the same titling format for this one. I feel like we're making decent progress. You know, the world's expanding. Look at how many maps we have. Look how far we've come. This is really fun. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.